Welcome again to Myrtle's Detox and Wellness Spa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Bokashi Bran. Now we're going to be using some steam crimped oats, and I've shown you the last video how to make the Effective Microbes, the EM, in order to make the Bokashi Bran. Now we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of the Effective Microbes and 5 cups of warm water. So here we go. Along with that, we're going to place that mixture into 5 pounds of the crimped oats. Now, you don't have to be oats. You can use rice bran, oat bran, wheat bran. You can even use something such as cardboard as your substrate, but today we're using crimped oats. We're going to go ahead and add our mixture. And then we're going to completely combine. Make sure that all the oats are totally soaked. Now in other videos you'll see how they make a ball with the substrate and then let it fall apart, but I find with the crimped oats it doesn't do that. I was not able to get the wheat bran or the oat bran or the rice bran, so I'm using crimped oats here. Now once you've completely coated the substrate, in this case the oats, with our Effective Microbes, the liquid, you're going to put it in a plastic bag and tie it up as tight as you can, squeezing out all the air, and then you're going to put it into a bucket to let it ferment for 2 weeks. Now this is our results of our fermented bokashi that's been sitting here for 2 weeks. Totally fermented, totally saturated and fermented. Now once that is done, the next step would be to dry the bran. You can either lay it out on a cardboard, lay it out on a table, lay it out on the floor if you have like a barn or someplace in the open where it wouldn't get wet if it rained. And you're going to leave it there for a day or 2 until it's totally dry. Okay, now in my case I used a dehydrator. Okay, to dry the bokashi oats. Now this isn't completely dried yet. I started doing this today, but in my bucket here, these are completed. All right, so now this is ready for use. I can leave these in the bucket, cover them down, and coat my kitchen scraps with it. Completely ready for use. All right, so there you go, the Bokashi Bran, Bokashi oats, using your Effective Microbes to coat your substrate. You inoculate it, let it ferment for 2 weeks, and you will have beautiful Bokashi Bran. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and tell others about this. Go ahead and ferment your kitchen scraps so you can make lovely compost.